Okay. Bring the cushion between your inner knees and inner thighs and grip it. Lie down comfortably onto the mat. Hands by the sides, chin is tucked in towards your chest, elongating through your neck. Chest is relaxed and shoulders are relaxed into the surface. From here, let's start with the breathing practice. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth and squeeze the cushion with your inner knees and inner thighs and take the belly in towards your spine without moving your spine. Inhale and relax the grip of the cushion. Exhale and once again press into the cushion firmly through your inner knees and your thighs and draw the belly button in. Feel the activation of your pelvic floor muscles and deep abdominal muscles. Inhale and relax. And exhale. Inhale deeply through the nose. And exhale out into a long exhalation, pressing the cushion, drawing the belly in towards the spine. Last two times, inhale and exhale. Inhale to relax the cushion. This time we are going to go into a pelvic tilt. So you are going to rock the pubic bone towards your chest, completely lengthening through your tailbone, imprinting your lower back into the surface while you squeeze the cushion. So palms by the sides. Inhale. Exhale, press into the cushion and hip bone to hip bone, sit bone to sit bone, pubic bone towards your chest, imprint your lower back. So imagine you have a teacup over your lower belly and you are splashing the tea towards your chest. Inhale and relax, coming into a neutral curve of your lower back. Exhale and press the cushion. Slightly clench your glutes and imprint your back, flattening your back. Glue the back towards the surface. Inhale and relax. The teacup is stable onto your lower belly. Exhale and splash the tea towards your chest. Imprint your back. This is a very good back exercise. Takes away all the lower back pain. Inhale and relax. Exhale and squeeze through your inner thighs and your knees into the cushion and imprint your back, pubic bone towards your chest. Inhale and relax. One more time. Exhale and pelvic tilt on, splashing the coffee or the tea towards your chest and maintain this imprint. Be there, and from here we are going to start rocking the pelvis back and forth. How you are going to rock? You are going to inhale and arch your lower back. Arching the lower back, creating space between the lower back and the mat. So you are splashing the tea towards the floor. Okay, and when you exhale, you're going to splash the tea towards your chest. So you're going rocking front and back, front and back. Okay, so this is what we are doing. Rocking the pelvis, rock and rock. Okay, just a standing Michael Jackson move. Imagine, okay, you can have your hand also onto your pubic bone and then do the movement, be in the natural curve of the back. Inhale and arch your back, splashing the tea towards the ground. Exhale and imprint your back, splashing the tea towards your chest. Inhale and arch your back. Exhale. Inhale, keep pressing the cushion. Exhale. Inhale, keep rocking the pelvis. Exhale, well done. Inhale and exhale. Last two. Inhale, arch your lower back. Exhale and imprint it. One last time. Inhale through the nose. And exhale. And inhale, come towards the central point where the teacup stays stationary onto your belly and is not splashing towards your chest and the ground. Okay, from here, let's prepare for the bridging. This is the natural curve of your back. everybody's neutral is different. It depends on your pubic anatomy. Okay, so somebody's arch might be little more, someone's arch might be little less. It all depends on your anatomy. What is important is your two hip bones in the front should be in one line, your pubic bone towards your tailbone, okay, and your two sit bones in one line. So imagine a hammock, sling. It should be holding your pelvic floor muscles. Always remember that. That is the ideal posture. Sitting, standing, or moving, or lying down. From here into the bridge, inhale to prepare. Exhale and lengthen your tailbone under. Lengthen. Do a pelvic tilt and start lifting up, pressing into the cushion. Chin into your chest. Lift up, firing up those buttock muscles and hamstrings. Inhale over here. Exhale and maintaining the squeeze of the cushion, start coming down slowly and gently. Inhale, neutral back. Exhale, lengthen through your spine, imprint your back and then lift up into a bridge. Inhale to pause. Exhale and very softly and gently start rolling through your spine down into the surface. Inhale, neutral back. Exhale and firmly grip the cushion through your inner knees and lift up. Feel that deep activation into your abdominals and your thighs and your glutes. Exhale and vertebrae after vertebrae lower yourself. Inhale, relax. Exhale, press the cushion and lift up. Inhale to pause. Exhale and slowly roll through your spine down into the surface. Inhale, neutral back. Exhale one last time. Imprint your spine. Lift up through your hips first, then your lower back, then your mid back. Inhale to pause. Exhale and every vertebra after another start rolling down. And inhale, relax. From here, exhale, lift up your legs in tabletop position. Tabletop is where your knees are right over your hips. Maintain the neutral curve of your pelvis. And inhale, lower your legs, touching through your toes. Even if you are not able to touch down, it's fine. Maintain the natural curve of the back or imprinted back. You shouldn't be hyper arching your back. Inhale to lower. Exhale and up. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, touch down. Exhale out into a long exhalation, engaging through your deep abdominal muscles, lifting the legs. Inhale and touch down. Exhale and up. 3 more counts. Inhale and touch down. Exhale and up. One last time. Inhale and touch down. Exhale and up. And stay there, lifted up in tabletop position. Bring out your hands towards the side. And we are going to go into knee sways. Press the cushion through your inner thighs. Inhale to prepare. Exhale and lower your legs towards the left side without touching down, lifting through your right hip. Inhale, come back center. Don't move your shoulder and your head. Exhale and go towards the other side, lifting through your left hip. And inhale, center. These are all back strengthening exercises. Exhale and twist towards the left. Inhale, come back center. Exhale out and towards the right. Whenever we are doing twistings or lateral work, the breathing can be reversed. You can even inhale and go towards the side. And lower your legs towards the side. And center, maintain, holding the cushion firmly. And towards the other side. And in. Last 2 counts. Come on, towards the side. And in. And one last count towards the right side. And draw the legs in. From here, lift the legs up. Maintain the cushion between your inner thighs. And bring the hands by the sides. From here, just lower the legs slightly, only few inches. Flex the feet and lift up your legs, only few inches, 2 to 3 inches. So you are in 90 degrees and just lower them maybe 80 or 70, not even 60. And up, we are doing gentle work, no jerky action. Lee, tuck the chin in, lengthen the neck. Chin in, yes. Lower the legs and up. Only 70 or 80 degrees, we are not even going 60. Lower the legs, maintain holding of the cushion and up. And 3 more rounds. Lower the legs because when you're holding the cushion, the pressure is more. And up. 2 more times. Lower the legs. Lift up. One last time. Lower the legs. And lift up. And bend the legs and remove the cushion. Place it aside. And from here, we are all warmed up with our core. Let us begin with the practices. Let's go into single leg stretch. So bring the right knee into your chest. Extend through your left leg out. Give a nice stretch to your thigh. Pull the right knee nicely, firmly into your belly and your chest. Now from here, inhale and exhale. Lift up through your head and chest closer towards your right knee. And lift your left leg up 30 degrees above the surface. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, draw the right knee further towards your chest. Inhale and switch and change. Exhale, left knee. And exhale. Switch and change. Exhale. 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 Last set. Exhale. Last count. Exhale. Maintain the left knee into your chest and lower your head and shoulder. Right leg is down. From here, lift the left leg up. Flex and point through your toes. Ankle flexion and pointing. Give a nice stretch to the back of your leg. Now pull the leg towards your face, and if you wish, you can lift up through your face. And bring the leg over your hip 90 degrees. Lower your head and shoulder. Hands by the sides. And from here, let's begin with single leg raises. Lower the leg. Point the toes, lift up. Flex the foot, lower the leg. Maintain the long length of your neck. Hands by the side, shoulders are anchored well into the surface. Lower the leg. And up. 3 more counts, don't touch down. Lower the leg. Lift up. 2 more counts, lower the leg. And up. One last time, lower. And lift. And from here, bend the leg and reach it onto the surface. Bend the right leg. Lift it up. Flex and point through your foot. Right leg flexing and pointing. And lift through your head and chest closer towards your right leg. Pull it in. Give it a nice stretch. Let the leg open up. And bring the head and shoulder down. Let the leg be over your hip 90 degrees and single leg raises. Lower the leg. And lift up. It should be a fluid movement, not into a hurried fashion. And up. Making yourself feel like a dancer. Lower the leg and up, lower and lift. Just 2 more times. Lower and lift. One last time. Lower and lift. And bend the leg and reach it onto the surface, straightening it. From here, bend both the legs. And let's prepare ourselves for oblique curls. So you're going to interlace your palms under your head, elbows by the sides, Feet are touching into the ground and your thumb should be pointing towards your shoulder. Thumbs pointing down. So this is how you're maintaining the hands. Okay? Cradling the lower head into your palms. Your neck is also supported with your palms. Inhale, exhale and lift up through your head and shoulder, upper back and the chest. Exhale and you're going to rotate through the left side using your internal and external obliques without rounding through your elbows. Inhale, center. Exhale and onto the other side for oblique curl. Inhale, center. And exhale. Please watch your legs are not moving. Inhale, center. And exhale. Inhale in. Don't drop the head and shoulder. Exhale, turn. And inhale, center. Exhale, turn towards the other side. Work through your side chain. And inhale, center. Exhale, turn towards the other side. Inhale in. And exhale. Inhale in. Last two, come on. Exhale, turn. Inhale, center. One last count. Exhale. Inhale in. Exhale, lower your head and shoulder. From here, maintain the palms under your head. We are going to go into crisscross bicycles. So bring the right knee into your chest. Extend your left leg out. Left leg is 30 degrees above the mat. Right knee completely closer to your chest. Inhale and exhale, lift up through your head and chest. Inhale to prepare. Exhale and turn towards your right knee, crisscross bicycles. Inhale, center. Exhale and change. Turn towards your left knee. And change. And change. Keep on rotating towards the side. Your shoulder should be reaching towards your thigh. And change. Exhale. 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 One last set. Exhale. One last count. Exhale. And center. Keep the legs in tabletop position. Just lower your head and shoulder. Hands by the sides. From here, lift both the legs up. 90 degrees. And open the legs into a wide V. Cross the legs. Open the legs into a wide V. Cross the legs. And open up, widen them. And cross. And open up. And cross. Last two, open the legs. And cross. One last time. Open. And cross. And bring the legs together in 90 degrees. Maintain there itself. The legs there itself. Now from here, pull the left leg closer to you. And the right leg, lower it 30 degrees above the mat. Single leg, straight leg stretch. From here, you will not move your head and chest when you are drawing the leg towards your face. Only the leg with double exhalation. So lift up through your head and chest closer towards your left leg. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, exhale, draw the leg into your face. Inhale and switch and change. Exhale, exhale, right leg. Do not yank your head towards the leg. Only the leg is coming towards your face. Exhale, exhale. One last set. Exhale, exhale. One last count. Exhale, exhale. And hug both the knees into your chest. Lower your head and shoulder. Prepare yourself for rolling like a ball. Point your toes. Lift up through your head. And your nose coming closer towards your knees. Inhale. Exhale and come up, roll like a ball up without touching your toes down. Inhale and down. Exhale and roll like a ball up. Inhale and down. Don't touch your head towards the floor. Exhale and up. Inhale and down. Exhale and lift up. And inhale down. One more time. Exhale and lift up. And lower your feet. Straighten your legs. Flex your feet. Open your legs. Mat distance apart. Sit tall. If you're not able to sit tall, just feel free to sit over a cushion, and we are going to go into spine twist. Have your hands behind your head. Look in the front. Maintain an upright back. Inhale here. Exhale to twist towards the left. Inhale center. Exhale twist towards the right. Don't move through your legs. Inhale center. Exhale twist towards the left. Inhale center. Exhale twist towards the right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale in. Exhale right. Inhale in. Exhale left. Inhale center. One last count. Exhale right. And inhale center. Release your hands. From here, bring the legs together and bring your right leg in front of your left. Your right in front of your left, and turn around. Bring the palm away from the shoulder but in line with the shoulder. We are preparing for side lift. The other hand can be on your waist or behind your head, whichever works for you. Inhale to prepare here. Exhale, and using your side body, you're going to lift up into a side plank. Inhale and dip down. Exhale and lift. Press through your side body to lift you. And inhale, dip. Exhale and up. Inhale, dip down. Exhale and lift up. Inhale, dip down. Exhale and lift up. Inhale, dip down. Exhale and up. One last time. Inhale, dip. Exhale and up. From here, directly turn around, making your body parallel to the mat into a plank position. Full plank. Hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your knees in all fours position. And from here, lift the right leg up parallel to the surface. And let's kick through our butt. So kicking the leg up, maintaining the natural curve of your back, tabletop back. And lift. 1, 2, kick. 3, through the crease of your butt. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And lower the right leg. Lift up your left leg without bending your elbows, maintaining the tabletop back. Kicking through the crease of your butt. 1, 10 counts. 2, 3, 4. No kicking from the knee. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower the knee. Lift up into downward facing dog. Tuck the toes in and bring your hips pointing towards the ceiling. Take your head between your upper arms. Try to lower your heels into the surface and give a nice stretch to your spine. Take your chest closer towards your thighs, head between your upper arms. Get away from your palms. And from here, once again, rock your body forward into plank position. Come onto your toes. Shoulders over your palms. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your right knee. Turn around for side dipping on the other side. Place your left foot in front of your right. Your right palm is away from the shoulder but in line with the shoulder. And prepare yourself for side lift. Inhale here. Exhale and lift up. Inhale and dip down. Exhale and up. Inhale and dip. Exhale and up. Inhale and dip. Exhale and up. Inhale and dip. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, dip down. One last time. Exhale up. Inhale down. And from here, turn around onto your back. Come into a sitting position. Keep the legs bent. All good? Yes, following well? No problem? Okay. Let's prepare for a teaser. I'm going into a complete flow. That's why I'm not taking a break, so that you get a complete body workout. Having your hands under your knees, roll the shoulders back, sit upright, feel your sit bones into the surface. Inhale and exhale, slightly lean back, maintaining straight back. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, left leg up. And maintain this position, look towards your toes. 10, 9, those of you who would like to release the arms, release it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the right leg, lower the left leg, and come forward through your torso. From here, bring the hands in front of your chest. In breath over here. Exhale, tuck the belly in towards your spine, C-curve with your back and roll back halfway. Only halfway. And from here, turn towards your left, rotate through your obliques. And come back center. Breathe in and breathe out. Turn towards the right. And center. Don't move your legs. And towards the left. And center. And towards the right. Center. Towards the left. Come back in. Towards the right. And center. Last two. Come on. Towards the left. And center. One last count. Towards the right. And in. Inhale and exhale. Rock yourself forward. Straighten your legs. And bend over your straight legs, giving a nice stretch to your spine. Maintain the flexion of your feet. And lift up through your torso. Take the left hand behind your back. Right hand behind your back. We are going to go into a reverse plank. So those of you who cannot do the reverse plank will go into tabletop position. So you will bend the legs. This is a variation. For those who cannot go in the reverse plank, inhale and exhale. Tabletop. And then down. 5 counts. Those of you who can go into the plank position, point your toes. Roll the shoulders back. Chest is lifted up towards the ceiling. Inhaling here and exhaling. Pushing the pelvis towards the ceiling and lifting up into a reverse plank and then slowly coming down. 5 counts. Either of the two, you choose your own version. Inhale and exhale, lift up. And inhale down. And inhale and exhale. Okay, Lee, you can go down and do the bridging. Do the bridge. And up. And lower yourself. And lift up. Lower yourself. One last time. Lift up. Lower yourself, and from here, turn onto the side. Come onto your forearm. Very well done. Come onto the forearm. Your elbow should be right under your shoulder. Do not sink down. We are not here to holiday or party. We are here to do Pilates. Okay, and keep the legs bent. Stay lifted through your side body. If it is difficult to stay lifted, you can take your cushion and place it under your lower waist so that you are able to maintain the posture. Okay. Other hand can be behind your head or onto your waist. Let's begin with clamshells. Open the inner thighs. 1. Don't turn the entire body. 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are lots of creative ways we can do the practices. 6, 7, 8, 9. One more time. 10. This time you're going to lift your leg up parallel to your bottom leg. And the leg shouldn't go higher. It should just reach towards your shoulder level. Okay. And touch down. 1. And lift up. And 2. Touch down. 3. Imagine you have a ball which you are tapping between your inner thighs. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. One more time. 10. And maintain the leg held over there. From there, straighten the leg, open it out, flex the foot and kick the foot towards your face. Point and take the leg behind your bottom leg. Flex and kick it towards your face. Point and back. Exhale and forward. Inhale and back. Exhale and forward. Inhale and back. Exhale, kick the leg. Inhale, take it back. One more time. Exhale, kick. Inhale, back. Bend the leg. Stack it over your bottom leg. Come up. Open your legs into a Z position, also called the mermaid. And just give yourself a counter stretch. Stretch towards the side where your feet is opened. Switch and change towards the other side. Come on to your other forearm. Keep the legs bent. Press the thighs towards the back. If you need, you can fold the cushion, or if your cushion is thick, you can place it under your lower waist to maintain lifted up. We can even use a ball over there. Chest facing forward, 2 hip joints in place in one line. From your clamshells, open up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of you looking beautiful. 6. Come on, let's nail it. 7. I love the smile. 8. 9. Exercise is no punishment. It should make you feel good. 10. And from here, lift the leg up almost your shoulder level and tap it down, touch down. And lift up and lower. And 3. Lower. And 4. Touch down. 5. Enjoy the movement. 6. How much ever pain it is giving you. No gain without pain. 7. Lower. 8. Lower the leg. Last 2. 9. And down. One last time. 10. Stay there and extend your leg. Flex the foot. Toes towards your face. And inhale and exhale. Kick the leg towards your face. Inhale. Take it back. Exhale and kick. Inhale and back. Exhale and kick. Inhale and back. Exhale and kick. Inhale and back. Last two. Exhale and kick. Inhale and back. One last time. Exhale and kick. Inhale and back. Bend the leg. Stack it over your bottom leg. Come up into a mermaid sitting position, also called the Z position, and give yourself a counter stretch. Stretch onto the other side. Your hips should be down. And come up towards the center. Open your legs into a wide V. Let's go into a saw. Maintain the flexion of your feet, heels hooked into the surface, toes towards you. You don't necessarily need to stretch your legs way too much as per your own flexibility. Have your hands in line with the shoulder. So saw is the practice where you are actually sawing your leg. You know that saw, how it goes on the tree, cutting the tree, it's exactly like that. That's why it's called the saw. So inhale and turn yourself towards your left leg. Exhale and reach outside your left foot. Inhale first, come back. Exhale and center. Inhale, turn towards your right leg. Exhale and saw your leg. Inhale up. Exhale and center. Notice how your spine feels in this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, center. Inhale, turn. Exhale and reach. Inhale up. Exhale, center. One last set. Inhale, turn. Exhale and reach. Inhale up. Exhale, center. One last count. Inhale, turn. Exhale and reach. Inhale up. Exhale, center. Lift your arms up. Inhale and exhale. Bend forward. Wherever you can reach, just be there. Look in the front. You can rest your hands onto your shin. Grab your big toe. Hands in front. Relax your shoulders. Look in front. It will help you extend through your spine. Let the hip joint open. Keep lengthening through the back of your legs. Lengthen them as much as you can. Visually try to elongate your legs. Well done. And from here, walk towards your right leg. Grab your right foot, or you can have the hands by the side. Those of you who can take the head closer towards the knee, go down. If you cannot, stay there. That is the beauty of practicing Pilates. We are strengthening, stretching, flexing, rotating, extending, doing everything in one class. The body feels completely moved, shaken, stirred, stretched, everything. And you don't need any equipment, that's the beauty. And center. Slowly come up. Bring your hands behind your back. Press the palms behind your back, fingers pointing towards your hips. Let's lift up through our hips. So just imagine you want to break open the ground. So push the ground with your palms, belly in towards your spine, shoulders roll back. Don't throw the head towards the back. Inhale. Exhale, point your toes and lift up through your hips. Inhale and down. Lee, you can do this. It's not very difficult. Believe me, it's quite easy. Come on, lift up. Inhale, lift. Just slightly. Don't point the toes. Lift 1 inch only. Inhale. Yes. Exhale and up. And lower yourself. 3 more counts. Hold the belly in towards your spine. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and down. See, you did it. Inhale and exhale. Lift up. And inhale down. And very slowly come towards the center. Well done, girls. Bring your legs together. And we are going to prep for the full teaser now. So turning towards the side. The core is so well charged up. We have worked the shoulders, the arms, everything today. And from here, slightly lean back with the breath. Take one leg up. Take the other leg up. Now you can choose to stay here by releasing your arms or grabbing the sides of your legs. Those of you who can go in the full teaser, extend your legs, look towards your toes and release your hands. Completely up to you. Or you can keep grabbing the legs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep the legs bent. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lower the legs. Hug your knees and rest your head onto your knees. And come up. From here, just bring your hands by the sides, separate your legs and drop your legs from side to side into windshield wiper. Give a nice massage to your hips. Well done. Let's just cool down. And center. Cross your legs. Inhale, lift your arms up. Lengthen through your trunk. Reach with your fingers up. Take your arms behind your ears. From here, bend both the arms through your elbows. Clasp your upper arm through your palms and turn the flesh inside out. Rest your head between your arms. Keep turning the flesh inside out. And lift your arms up. Inhale here. Exhale and twist towards the left, bringing your right arm over your left knee and left fingertips behind your right hip. Keep pressing the left shoulder towards the right shoulder and your belly is turning from the left side towards the right. The torso is turning towards the right, but the shoulder is going towards the right side and the belly towards the right. And come back center, inhale, arms up. Exhale and twist towards the right, taking your left hand over your right knee and right fingertips behind your left hip. Don't lean through your torso, maintain your head, neck and spine in one long line. And look towards the side. All the twists are axial rotation where the entire spine is rotating in an axis, one axis. So the cervical, the thoracic and the lower lumbar back all together. And come back center, inhale, arms up. Exhale, lower your right hand by the side, walk it away from you and lower your torso towards the right. From here, press the left shoulder back, open your chest, revolving it towards the ceiling and breathe into your left lung. Feel the left side expanding and contracting. Come up. This is a very good breathing exercise. And towards the other side, one lung breathing. Once again, press the right shoulder towards the back, bringing your chest towards the ceiling, and breathe into your right lung. You should actually feel the lung, feel the ribs, feel the intercostal muscles, the muscles around your rib cage, expanding and contracting. So when you put your hand over there, you will feel all the ribs and the muscles. Feel it. You are able to feel the breath also? Yes. And come up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale and come into a forward bend. Now just give yourself equal and opposite push and pull. So keep pushing yourself with your buttocks towards the back of the room. Imagine I am pulling you from the back. And keep pulling yourself towards the front of the room through the crown of your head. If you would like to lower the head touching the ground, please go ahead. Walk back. Keep your eyes closed, hands onto your thighs. Turn your head towards your right shoulder, making your chin parallel to your right shoulder. Take it towards the left shoulder. Back center. And start circling through your head and neck. Keep your eyes closed. Take in one direction very slowly. Once you come towards the center, go towards the other direction. And come back center. We are going to close today's practice by doing Chandravedan Pranayam, awakening our Chandranadi, which is cooling and calming and relaxing. And this is when it is the lunar time, when the sun is setting and we are going into the lunar space. Okay. So let's bring our hands into Vishnu Mudra. Left hand in Chin Mudra and right hand into Vishnu Mudra. Left hand in Chin Mudra, joining the tip of your index finger and thumb together. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra, where the first two fingers are towards the palate of your palm. Bring the palm closer to your nose. Right hand. Right thumb should be closer to your right nostril and right ring finger closer to your left nostril. Inhale and exhale through both the nostrils. Close the right nostril, inhale left nostril. Close, exhale right. Close, inhale left. Close, exhale right. Inhale left. Exhale, right. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale, left. Close and hold the breath in. Antar Kumbha, internal breath retention. Exhale out, right. Inhale, left. Close and hold the breath in. Exhale, right. Inhale, left. Close and pause. Exhale, right. Inhale, left. Hold the breath in. Focus between your eyebrow center, seat of your wisdom, intellect, Ajna center. Exhale, right. Inhale, left. Close and pause for one last time. Exhale out, right. Release your palm. Breathe in through both the nostrils. Stay there for a couple of moments. Just observe both your nostrils. Watch your mind. Watch the state of your feelings, your physical body, your breath. Just stay here for a few moments, feeling meditative. Be with the calming and cooling effects of Chandrabhedan Pranayam. Slowly rub your palms. Massage your face, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your belly, your back, your legs. And thank you so much, everyone, for bringing yourself to this class. Good night, sweet dreams, and I shall see you soon.
Thank you, Nidhi.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Nidhi.
Bye bye.